Fire alarm system is designed to alert us to an emergency so that we can take action to protect ourselves, staff and the general public. Fire alarms are found in office, factories and public buildings. They are a part of our everyday routine but are often overlooked until there is emergency, at which point they might just save our life. Problem statement. Normal fire alarm will not affect for blind and deaf people because of their disability. So if fire incident happens around them, it will be dangerous and the probability for them to survive is very low because they can't see or hear the fire alarm is working. But if they stay with someone who's taking care of them, it wouldn't be a problem. But if they stay alone, the only way for them to detect their fire happen is by feeling hot and smell something burn. This is why I'm trying to create something that they can use for this situation. Project recommended solution. Okay, so this is my project, which is it have 3 main items. The first one is fire alarm, second is the beacon light, and lastly the special watch for blind and deaf people. Okay, so this is how my project works. This black thing actually is a flame sensor. When this sensor detect the presence of heat, it will active the buzzer, beacon light and 433 MHz to give a signal from this transmitter to the receiver, and it will vibrate this watch. Okay, so let me demonstrate it. As you can see, the buzzer and beacon light active when this sensor detect the heat, and actually this watch vibrate when flame sensor detect the heat. Thank you. I hope this project can save 1,000 of lives and reduce the risk of death by fire incident, especially for disabled people.